Right, I'm going to do a couple of quick videos after you've done your spot priming on the skirting board and the picture rails of just giving this its secondary primer undercoat, and we're not looking to cut it right into the top. We're just going to go across the top of this piece of skirting board, cutting it into there, so we're not risking hitting the wall. Because like I say, we will be taping it into the wall and getting a nice straight edge on there, which will be the next videos that follow this. So just going right across there, like that, and then across the bottom, bringing this bit in. And just bringing it right through, and then we're going to lay it off with the 4-inch purdy. Just like this, all the way across, reducing as much brush stroke in there as we can. That's a little bit. I'm going to do this bit here. And just take it up where that door frame's going. Right, picture rail, let that dry in. We're just going to go under that lip there. Again, not hitting the wall. The beauty of these sash brushes is that they will pretty much just keep where you're painting nice and controlled. And when it comes to doing the door frames, we're obviously just going to come right into this doorstop here and then just onto the edge of the architrave. We're not going to be going into the side here, because when we tape that we'll be getting it coated up with the finishing product.